Have you ever changed the mask type on your ResMed AirSense CPAP device? It's essential to use the right mask type for your needs. What are the different types of masks available? There are nasal masks, full face masks, and nasal pillow masks. Each type has its benefits. Perhaps you're wondering about what are the benefits of nasal masks? Nasal masks are a good option for people who breathe through their nose while sleeping. They're also less bulky than full-face masks. Full-face masks cover both the nose and mouth, making them a good option for people who breathe through their mouth while sleeping. They're also less likely to slip off during the night. You might be curious, what are nasal pillow masks? Nasal pillow masks fit directly into the nostrils, making them a good option for people who feel claustrophobic wearing a mask. They're also less likely to cause skin irritation. So, how to change the mask type on an AirSense device? It's easy. Just remove the current mask and replace it with the new one. To change the type of mask on the device interface, simply find mask type and change it in the options menu, based on what you are using. As with any mask, make sure it's properly fitted and secured before using it. It's important to use the right mask type for your needs to ensure effective treatment. We trust this video was informative, and remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Entacare if you have any questions.